Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now I'm just going to divide that hair from the end of the eyebrows and pop this into a ponytail. Then I'm going to split the remaining hair in half and we're going to pop each side into another ponytail, trying to make it as close to that first ponytail as possible. Next, I've cut up a hair donor and just rearranged it into a small circular shape, and I'm just going to lift that top ponytail out of the way and I'm just going to hold it against the head in between all three ponytails and then pin it all around the outside of that padding. Right, starting on the top ponytail, we're just going to create a twist, so split it in half and wrap the sections around one another, and then just tie it off with a clear elastic band. And then we're simply going to repeat the twists on the remaining two ponytails. Apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're going to use our fingers to gently pinch and pull at the crown area and also around the sides, just to create a little bit of messy volume. Next, taking hold of that top twist, we're going to move it over to the left hand side and pin it to the top of the padding. Then we're going to bring the ends over to the opposite side, so to the right hand side. And we're going to pin it along the top and then all the way down the side of that padding. Now taking the ponytail on the right hand side, all we're going to do is bring it over to the left hand side and pin it to that hair padding as close to that first twist as possible. Now pin it to the side as well. And then with the ends we're going to just bring them underneath and pin them to the bottom of the padding. And then for that last twist we're going to take it from the left to the right hand side, pinning as we go. And then if there's any tail ends we're going to loop it back to the left hand side and then pin them to the bum padding on the left. Apply some more texture spray all over that little twisted bun, and then just spend a minute or two pinching and pulling every loop and twist of that bun to create some more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.